Take a ride in the 2014 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, power lift gate, navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, heated rear seats, four-wheel disc brakes, CD player. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.